Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. It is the day before we're supposed to get a major snowstorm, right, Riley? So what are we supposed to do?
Wear PJs inside out.
Wear PJs inside out because Riley wants snow.
Yeah.
Not so much me. What do you think, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah, what are we doing?
No.
What are we doing?
No.
No? What's going on? What are we doing today?
We're making pancakes and waffles.
Because it's Sunday? Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna get breakfast made here. We're gonna do our normal pancakes, waffles, where I get to stand and make lots of pancakes. And we're gonna just kind of have a calm, quiet day at home, hopefully. The day before the snow. Hope it doesn't snow too bad. Daddy's at the grocery store. He just said it's a total zoo and it's 8:30 and he left probably about a half hour ago. And we only needed like 3 things. So it'll be interesting. Hopefully it's not too bad with the snow. What do you think? Do you think the snow's gonna be bad? It's gonna be a lot of snow? Think school's gonna be canceled? Maybe.
Mommy.
We'll see. What do you think? Snow?
No.
No snow? And I'm just gonna hope we move to Florida at some point because I'm tired of winter. It's too cold for me, way too cold. So we're gonna get breakfast going here and see what else we can find to do that's some semblance of fun this weekend.
Mommy.
Pancake mix is made. Now what are we gonna make?
Waffles.
Waffles, and we cleaned up the mess on the counter. Time to start fresh. Time to make the waffle batter. I think today is just going to be a messy day because my waffles ooze. I didn't even think I put that much in there, so they're going to be pretty full. Yeah, got pancakes going and the waffles going. All right, first batch of waffles is done. Sammy's very excited. Waffles. You excited?
Yeah.
How's the waffle?
Go.
It's good? How's the pancakes? Good job? You guys did a good job cooking?
Yeah.
You did a good job making it?
Yeah.
You got whipped cream? Some waffles with whipped cream. Some pancakes with whipped cream and syrup. Good time. Okay, we have left the house. Kiddos are in the back. Riley's got a new mask on. Sammy's over there. Say hi, Sammy. Oh, okay. Say hi, Riley.
Hi.
Where are we going?
Target. No.
We're going to do an order pickup at Target. I got my hat on because it is 25 degrees outside and it is way too cold for me. It's a nice hat, isn't it? My mother-in-law made it. I like it. It's a little big, but you know, I have a small head, so it's okay. So we're on our way to Target, and then we're gonna do what, Riley?
Go to Catholic school.
We're gonna go on a tour of the school Riley may go to next year, so we're gonna do that.
Hey, Mommy!
And we saw our first snowflake, so things are very exciting.
Whoa.
We'll see what happens later, but for now, that's what we're doing, right?
Yeah, we're going to Target. Target.
And Daddy missed the turn. So hopefully we get there okay. Okay, we've made it to Target.
Yeah.
And guess who fell asleep? Not what we wanted to happen. Not good, right, Riley?
Nope.
So what are we doing?
We're already at Target.
Tell everybody about your idea about the hotel.
A lighthouse hotel.
Riley came up with an idea for a lighthouse hotel.
Yeah.
And what would it do?
You can paint it.
You can paint it?
Yep.
And what would you stay, at the top?
No.
Where would you stay?
In the bottom.
In the bottom? What would be at the top?
Nothing.
Oh my goodness, look at the lady. Look at the Target lady. She's got a lot of, I don't know if this is gonna... Somebody did a heavy, there we go. Somebody did a heavy Target shopping. My goodness. Because you know, it's gonna snow. So you gotta buy everything out there. We just bought, you know, what we needed. Because that's what makes the most sense, right, Rue?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm wearing my new mask.
Yeah.
And it kind of matches my, so you can't really see it. It matches my coat.
I'm debating whether or not to get a puzzle or some Legos or something if we're gonna be snowed in. I don't want to be stuck. But we have a lot of puzzles.
And we have a lot of Legos.
And we have a lot of Legos. So probably don't need to buy anything. I just don't like to be bored. I'm not a fan of being bored, right, Rue?
Nope.
What's our...
Me the frozen made.
Alright, Target order achieved. You want to see what we got at Target?
No.
No. Daddy doesn't want to see. Nothing's for him.
This for the
Alright, let's see what we get. We got some
funny.
s'more Z-bars.
I see what the s'more BZ bars look like. S'more.
So we got some s'mores Z-bars.
Do not want funny.
We got some Annie's bunny bars.
Bunny bars. Can I see?
So Riley's favorite.
Can I see? Bunny bars.
And we got some chocolate chip Z-bars. So we're ready for the apocalypse now with all these bars.
And now I can't do it.
All right, so we made it over to the school for the tour, but we are about 20 minutes early, so we're gonna hang for a little bit. Riley's trying to get out of her seat. Can you do it? You can do it.
No, I really want your help getting out.
You can do it.
I can't.
I bet you can.
No, I can't.
I bet you can.
Stuck.
No, I bet you could do it.
I need your help.
I bet you can do it.
Hi, Santa Lake.
Okay, my hat's a little crazy right now. One more update. We're still sitting in the car waiting. Yeah, still waiting. Our appointment time was 2 minutes ago. They're not ready for us yet. So we're still waiting.
No, Bill, we want to go.
Sam woke up. Say hi.
No. No. I really
So
want.
yeah, we're still waiting.
I want to.
Slowly going crazy with 2 kids in the car.
Yeah.
Leaving early was not a good idea this time. Sometimes it's a good idea. Today it was not. So yeah, we are still waiting. Sam's trying to escape over there.
We can't blame them.
I can't blame him. Yeah, I'm ready to get out of the car, although it's freezing outside. We lost a degree. It's now 24 degrees. When we left the house, it was 25. So, you know,
Please stop.
good times.
Keep it locked.
Good times.
Hi.
Okay, so we finished our tour. It was a good tour. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Sammy liked it? Too bad Sammy's not going.
So quiet.
You were so quiet.
So shy.
Sammy's too little. He's definitely not going, huh? So we are heading home. Weather is snowing. Nothing too crazy yet. So I think we'll be safe getting home. There's no massive accumulation yet, but it is coming down pretty good. So we'll see what the rest of the day brings. Okay, so we've made it home. Just wanted to show you the snow progress on the deck. This is how we'll gauge how much snow we end up getting. Table's getting covered. It's hard to really tell on the deck because of the color of the deck similarly matches the snow. But you can see here, you see there's some difference between the decks here and the snow's back there. So we'll see. Right now they're saying up to what, 18 inches?
12 to 18.
12 to 18 inches. So we'll see how much we end up getting. Okay, here's the snow update. Where are we at? 2 hours or so later. You gonna build a snowman, Sam?
Me too. It's here.
You know, it's covering the deck. The table's getting covered. Still coming down. It's gonna start to get heavy tonight.
There's more. Snowman.
You gonna build a snowman?
Me too. We're gonna go rolly, rolly, roll. But it's rolling up.
We'll check back on the snow later. Okay, it is about 20 to 6. So we're about 6 hours in from the snow starting, give or take. And this is where we are right now.
Snowman.
See the table? What do you think, buddy?
Snowman.
A snowman?
Yeah.
Yeah. Deck is getting covered pretty good. But again, this is just the start of it. It's still coming down. I don't know if you can see. You can see a little bit. It's still coming down, but not too crazy. So we'll see what happens overnight. So now we're going to make some cookies because we're kind of victim to the snow at the moment. So we're gonna make some cookies.
It's almost like
Nothing to do with nothing like making chocolate chip cookies at 5:40 in the evening. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
This is also snow.
What do you think, buddy? Cookies? Yeah, they're making them. It's cooking. We'll put the dry ingredients in. Okay, dry ingredients in. Blending them up a little bit at a time. About half one in.
Mommy, that's the machine that's all.
Okay, our dough is made. Kids are eating some chocolate chips, and now we add the fun part, and I just do this, I don't measure. The more chocolate chips, the better. Now we're going to mix that up, put them on the tray, get them in the oven. There's the finished product. Well, almost finished. They're ready for the oven. So we're gonna stick them in the oven. A Alexa, set a timer for 17 minutes.
17 minutes, starting now.
And then we'll have cookies. You ready for cookies?
Yeah.
Yeah, they gotta cook. Did you help?
Yeah.
Yeah, were they fun to make?
Cookie.
Cookies.
That's all. Cookie.
While we're making cookies, Daddy's outside doing the first round of shoveling.
Daddy.
Gotta start somewhere. How much is out?
Probably about 3.
About 3 inches.
Daddy.
First round. We'll see how it looks later.
17-minute timer is ringing, and there are no other timers set.
Oh, yeah.
Cookies are done. Oh yeah, that's the way I like them. All right, cookies are done. We're gonna let them cool, and then we'll have the kids taste them. Let you know how they are. You excited?
Yeah.
What do we make?
Cookie.
Cookies. What do you have?
Cookie.
How is it?
Go.
We do a good job?
Yeah. Look at the snow.
All right, this is our last snow check for tonight. We'll check again in the morning. But we got a few inches. Daddy was outside shoveling, said there's what, like 3 inches?
Yep.
So we'll see what happens overnight. Okay, Riley's got her PJs on inside out. Why are they on inside out?
Because I want to have a snow day tomorrow. In the snow.
She wants to have a snow day tomorrow. So her teacher told her if she wears her PJs inside out, you can have a snow day tomorrow. So we'll see what happens, right?
Yeah, I don't want it to snow too hard.
Just enough?
Yep.
Okay.
I think it'll snow.
Okay.
Good evening.
Good evening.
And
It is
Bye.
bedtime. We watched a lot of snow today. What else did we do today? Sit up.
we made cookies. We made pancakes. We watched some TV. We had breakfast. We had, what else do we have?
Dinner,
Dinner,
lunch.
and we did some art. Like I did it.
So we had a pretty, snowy day. Pretty calm, snowy day. Thanks for hanging out with us.
And we'll see you next time for more of our videos.
All right. Good night.
Bye, Felicia.
Bye, Felicia. Good night.